All right, so after what felt like an eternity on the road, we are finally here in New Orleans at NOLA Motorsports Park. I've never been here, so this is gonna be a fun weekend. I've got my Ninja 300 set up, teched, ready to go. I'm gonna be riding that. I'm also gonna be riding the Grom, but because it is New Orleans, and New Orleans is really far away from Dallas. Like you look at a map and you can see that it's a 9-hour drive, but I didn't like comprehend and fathom that. But anyway, because it is the farthest track on the circuit away from like the CMRA headquarters, they do an 8-hour endurance, and I'm gonna be doing an 8-hour endurance with some really good friends of mine on this blue machine here with these two gentlemen. So we've got Carl and we've got Carl's dad, Glenn. We're gonna have some fun, and yes, I said 8 hours. We're gonna hop on, hop off, and we're gonna hopefully ride that little blue monster for 8 hours straight. But I'm gonna go ahead and get suited up. As I said, the bikes are already teched, they're ready to go. We're gonna get a little bit of practice in, and hopefully we can have a good day. But I'll bring you along as always. We'll get out there and we will have a little bit of fun.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
All right, so got a little bit of an update, but unfortunately it's not a good update. I'm good, I didn't go down or anything like that. As you saw, practice sessions actually went really well. Having never been here, my first session out was pretty horrible. I did like a 221, 222. I was just learning the track, trying to figure out where I needed to be. Watching videos just sometimes doesn't suffice, but went out for my second session, dropped my time by about 6 seconds, and brought it into, I think it was like 214, 213, something like that. Still not where I wanted to be. I probably could have got a couple extra seconds out of that. But anyway, we have been shut down. The governor of Louisiana came in and said, no more. if you got over 250 people at your event, you got to pull the plug on it. So unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, there will be no more racing and therefore no more video from this weekend. But you know, long drive kind of sucks. Hopefully we'll get a little bit of money out of it, but you know, it is what it is. Everybody's safe and they're trying to do the right thing, getting us out of here. So with that said, sorry to cut it short, but hopefully we'll see you in the next one at Houston in about a month and a half, in about a month. Anyway, I'm Tony. I'll catch y'all later. Bye.